Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a Wix Client Dashboard. So in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to create a dashboard that allows your client to access important information and interact with your services. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password. Then what you need to do is go to your dashboard that is going to appear on your screen after you log in or sign up. So the screen I'm sharing, what you can see is actually a client dashboard that is actually accessible, and this is the membership area or the member page that is actually seen here. This is the login bar that I've created. Let me just show you guys from the scratch. So this is how you are going to go to your setup area. So after you log in or sign up, this is the type of website that is going to appear in your screen. Now, if you are already familiar with Wix.com, you know how to create this site. But if you are a newbie, what you're going to do is go to these three options. Here, you need to go click on Create New Site in order to create a new site. Then I'm just going to give you a quick intro of how to do that so that it will be easy for all the users and all the viewers. So what type of the website do you want to create? You're going to answer this question, and I'm simply going to skip this, but you must answer these because it is going to help Wix decide what type of a content that you're creating. So it is going to direct you to your dashboard again. Now you need to go to here you need to answer a simple few questions like, what would you like to call your website? You are going to give it the name, or you can click on continue. Now, what are your goals for this site? You need to sell, if you're looking for selling the products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, display creative or so many options. You can click on these. I'm simply going to skip this portion. Okay, so you need to choose the apps you would like to add. Either they are online stores, bookings, or events. I'm going to skip these and continue to the dashboard. You see, I am going to continue to the dashboard. Now what you need to do is go to this option of design sites. You are simply going to go click on this. Now they're asking you, how would you like to design your website? Either you have the design of your own and you are going to answer some simple questions through AI, and it will help you generate a design of your own that has never been seen on Wix. But if you have no idea what type of the template you're requiring, so you're simply going to click on pick a template, and previously you have answered a few questions and Wix is going to decide the template for you. You see there are so many options. You can choose any one of these. Let's just say I'm going to edit this one. Now it is going to take a few minutes to create an image for you, because it is going to take less than a minute. It is actually because it is going to prepare your site, and since all of the features on Wix.com are completely secure, so I don't mind waiting for that. Now it is going to direct you to your template that suits your need, or I told you guys you can also start from the scratch. This is how it is going to load your page. Now you are going to create the member area for the client, where you would be able to direct only the clients. Here you see, I am going to go to my apps. Here I am going to go to my app market. Let's just search here, Wix member area. You see, there is the Wix members area. If you have already installed it, then they are going to give you the options to add to the site. But if you have not installed it, you are going to install it in order to add it to your Wix website. You see, this is adding the Wix members area to my website. This is how you're going to set up the member roles and permissions. After this, it would be easy for you to control access to certain features and content. It would be easy for the members to access the role and permissions and to control the access to the certain features and to the certain contents. Now you are going to test and refine your dashboard. This is how it's going to appear on your screen. Now what you need to do, let's just delete this portion, and here I am going to add the login button. So go to add elements. Here I am going to go to my, let's just cross this part so that it would be visible. Going to go to the community. Here you see there's an option of login bar. I am going to click on this, and this is my login bar. Going to drag it to the top right corner this way. Now you can change the name, or you can also set up the login bar. Let's just click on set up, log in or log out. Avatar, you can also add it. You can also add the text, or you can also add the profile pictures, initials, or some customs. You can login bar text button, member's name or customers, show the greeting before the name. You can also do that like hello. Okay, so if you don't want it, you are simply going to skip this portion, but if you want it, still there's an option that how you're going to greet the person. Or you can also change the left to right if you want it to be left to right, or you want it to be right to left. Okay, so this is how you are going to set up your login bar. You can also manage the menus by going to account settings. Here you can hide it from the menu, or you can also add the menu items. Here you can also change the design. Let's just say if you want more butters, you can also choose these. If you want it to be over selected, you can also, you see there are so many options. You could use any one of these in order to increase the, let's just make it more bold, and I want to change the font. Let's just say the font is Arial black. So this is how you're going to change it. You can also change the color. I want it to be this color. So yeah, this is how I'm going to change the design, and animation effects could also be given. Like if you want it to be this, shutters, turns. So this is actually going to put more focus onto your website. So this is, let's just preview it. So this is how you are going to add the member pages, and then you would be able to add the login page to your, here. You see there's an account settings, you can click on this, or there's an option of logout. You're going back to your editor. Here you see this is the members page. You can also update your personal information here, or you can add the phone number. You can discard or update the information, view and update your login, email, and password. So in this way, you will be able to see it on your mobile mode as well. Here you see I'm clicking on the mobile, and this is how it's going to appear on the mobile mode. So yeah, that's it. You have successfully created a Wix Client Dashboard that allows your client to access important information and interact with your services. With this dashboard, you can improve the client satisfaction, and you can also help to streamline your workflow. So if you like it, you're simply going to go publish it, and by following these steps, you can create the functional and I would say a user-friendly client dashboard that is going to meet your business needs. So yeah, this is how you're going to do it. I hopefully will see you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you so much.